Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn coins by doing surveys on the Cointiply application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Cointiply app on your device, and after you have logged in, you will be taken into your homepage. From here, if you wish to participate in surveys to earn coins and credits, then just tap on the surveys option. This will now show you various different surveys. You will be shown a featured survey at the very top section that is recommended for you. You can tap on the Start Survey button to start this survey right away. Underneath, you also have various survey offer walls, which have various different surveys that you can perform in order to get rewarded. When you find the survey that you wish to participate in, you can simply tap on the Start button and it will load the survey right away. Now, based upon your location, some of these survey offer walls may not be available within your area. So you can try using the various different services to see if surveys are available within your location. Once you have found and completed your survey, the displayed amount for each of these surveys will also be provided to you. You can also participate in multiple surveys at a time. As soon as you complete the surveys, in just a matter of a few seconds, the reward will be added to your account. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to get paid for doing surveys on the Cointiply application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.